uh, and security settings. So you can say R. So it's like whoever want to see which record, you have to decide whether it's admin and everything. It's we are going to control in the record level. So already we have two level of access controllability. So one is object level, one more is record level. So in object level, we will use profile and permission set. In record level, we will be having multiple things. One is OWD settings or wide default. And second one is we have sharing settings, sharing rules. One more is role hierarchy. And one more manual sharing. So I will just tell you object level. So already Mohammed discussed, so I will just brief it what it is. So object level means whenever you are creating the new object, at the time you have to decide to whom you want to give this particular access. So which is the object level. So record level means after creating the object, whenever you are creating the new records, so you will create a new records at the time, what are the access, what are the people should have. So these are everything is comes under in the record level. So these both will be controlling, like you are giving some settings in object level and you are giving some settings for the same thing in record level. So it will compare both the settings, then it will decide whichever is the restricted one. Okay, so it will be taken. So restricted will be taken. So in case, so let's see in practical way. So if you can go to any of the profile. So let's say system administrator I'm going, which is the user I'm using currently. So here we have all the settings like what are the page load he is having access and everything. So now we are focusing on object. This is fields. So here we have standard object, something called inside profile. Okay. So here if you can see, for each and every object, you can give read, create, edit, delete, view all, modify all. This view all and modify all for the administrator. So read means this particular object, whoever is having this particular profile, they can read. Create means they can create a new record for this particular object. Edit means they will be able to, after creating it, if they want to modify, they can modify, and delete means they can delete it. So these are the four major operations. We will modify all, it's for administrator we used to provide. It's like irrespective of anything, they will be able to see the everything and they can modify anything since they are an administrator. So these are the four things we mainly need to concentrate on. What these are the access we will give whenever we are creating the new object. So let's say if I remove the delete from this profile, so what happened, this particular user, whoever is having this particular profile, he will not be able to delete it. Okay, so same way for read, create, edit, everything. So if you remove the create access, then they will be just able to read it. They will not be able to create it. So depends on this, depends on your profile, you have to decide. So like I said before, so if anyone is having lower profile, so they should be able to see the screen records, but they should not able to edit it. In that case, you can change it in the profile, like only read access. You can remove all this, create, edit, delete access. In that case, they will not be able to see. So this everything is standard object. If you come here, you will be able to see
Vinod,
custom.
I have a question here.
Yeah.
After, like, are you telling that after creating this profile, we can also change all these settings, or
Yeah, you
during
will be able
creation
to
of,
see. You
or
can
only
able,
creation of profile we can change?
no, you will be having edit button here. So you see, if I click on edit, it will be available for editing. You can change it now
Okay,
also.
so after profile creation also we can change.
Yeah, sure. You can do it. So whenever you are creating an object, so you used to navigate to next screen, right? Where we will be giving that visible. I used to say you can skip this one, you can give for everyone. I can show you if you want. So what happened? Two ways you can give. One is you can go to profile and give it. One more thing is, so
Hmm.
whenever you are creating a new object, it's from object, so it's for fields. So okay, I create a new object and fields. So if you create some, see here it will ask which profile you want to give it. Field level
Yeah,
security
yeah.
for the profile. This is the
Yeah,
one.
this is for the creation of new custom object.
New
So
field, custom field. So
yeah,
whenever
so
you
if
are,
you have, if you have already created it, then can we again go and change that
yeah,
particular
if you
settings?
have changed, you can do it here in profile. So
Okay.
whenever you are creating a new object or profile or fields, you can just change it here itself. Suppose if you forgot to do it here, in that case, you can come back to this profile and you can do it here also. See here, you will be able
Mhm.
to change it also.
Hmm. Okay, this happens for custom object and custom fields both.
Yeah, both it will happen. And one more thing, what you can do, once you saved it, so let's say I created this new field. Because see, suppose you want to give it to multiple profile access for this particular field. Okay, so but it's a one thing what you can do, you can go to each and every profile and go to that field and you can give the access. That is the one way. But for that case, in that case, you have to go each and every profile. So here we'll be having something called set field level security. Okay, if you click this one, here you will be able to see again all the profile after creating it. If you forget something or if you want to give extra, then if I want to remove access also, I can just remove it for some profile and I can give it for some extra profile. can remove it and enable it and save it here. Here also you can do after creating it, and here also you will be able to do it.
Okay.
In both way you can do. And we have permission sets. So here I said here in object level we have profile and permission set. So permission set, it's basically giving the extra permission. When we will use permission set is whenever we have multiple users and they want multiple access. Like we have 10 users and we want some 5 user have some access, some basic access, and special users we have, they want extra access than this basic access. So basic access plus extra access. Okay. So it's like, so for what we can do, we can create a one more profile for these 2 people and one profile for these 5 people. And let's say 2 more people are there. They also have this basic access plus some other access also extra. So what we can do now, we can create one profile for these people, one profile for this person, or one profile for this person. Okay. So this is the one way we can do it to give the extra some access. But in Salesforce, got some doubt. So we have something called permission sets. Okay. Permission sets, it's nothing but it's same like, it's like same like profile. So whatever access you are able to give it, you will be able to give it in the permission set also. Let's say you want to give some extra object to be enabled. So here you can just click on accounts. So here you can edit it. So this object permission you can choose in this particular permission set. Okay, you want to give read, create, and save it. What we can do is we can assign this permission set to the user. Okay, so why it is advantage is like, so in this case we have to create total 3 profile. But instead of creating 3 profile, what we can do, we can create one base profile, base access profile, and we can create 2 permission set. Okay. So what I will do, for all people, I will give this particular profile and I will just assign this one permission set to this special users with whatever extra access he is having. And second one for these people, whatever extra access they have, I will have in one more permission set and I will assign to them. So see here, if you click manage assignment in permission set, you will be able to, so you can click on add assignment, you will be able to see the users, all the users in your system. So let's say, so this is a Vinod Kumar. He is also having system administrator. So Shashank also having system administrator. So I will choose, already I chose Vinod actually. So I choose Vinod means he will be having that extra access, whatever it's available in the permission set. But this Shashank, he will not be having, still he is having the same profile. Still he will not be able to have that extra access since I am not assigning that particular permission set to him. Okay. So already he's there. Already I am there. Okay, so this is how we can control the access in the object level. Is that clear? Is that clear? You have any doubt in object level? Anyone?
That's clear, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So this is whenever we are creating the new object. So record level means whenever you are creating the records. So whenever you are creating a new records, so you have created these multiple records. So you have to decide what are the records who supposed to see these records. So this one we are not controlling now. We are just controlling the whether we can give this new option to him or not. So if you have removed the new create option for this particular user in his profile, then he will not be able to see this new option. And whenever he is opening it, he will not be able to edit it. Here we are, I'm able to edit it now. So if you remove the access in the object level, he will not be able to edit it. But so let's say he has to see the record number 2, but he shouldn't see the record number 3. So depends on some conditions. So whatever conditions we are making, so according to that, he will not be able to see that our requirement. So what we have to do to control the record level settings, we have something called sharing settings. Left side, if you go, you'll be able to see sharing settings. When you come here, you will be able to see all the object. Whatever object we have, all the object you will be able to see. And here, access will be provided. Okay, so we have mainly 3 access. One is private, and second one is public read only. Third one is public read write. So private means it's like you are creating on new records. So if that object level, it's provided here as private in OWD settings. In that case, what happens? Only you will be able to see this record. Not any other users. Okay, so if you are creating one records, only you will be able to see whenever you are giving setting as a private. So public read only means it's like you are creating a record, so other people also can see. See whatever record you are creating, but with read access. That means they will not be able to edit it. Okay. So this third option is like other people can see and edit as well. Okay, so these are the three things will be there. So this okay, let's say we created an object Maruti, right? Maruti dealer. Okay, Maruti car we have created. Let me give edit. So here I have Maruti car. So here I can choose whether private, public, read only, public, read write. So currently it is public read write. By default it will be public read write. So if you want to change these settings, and you can change it to anything. Private, public read. So I'm making it now public read only. So what happened now? Just saving it. So it will take time. So it will take some time to making this operation enabled, because why it is, if you have huge number of records in your settings, so already some other settings will be there. It's supposed to run according to that, but now suddenly you changed, so it have to change for the all the records. Okay, so now I changed for the Maruti car. Let's see, I'm able to, let me try to log in as Shashank. It's happening. Okay, suppose if we meeting is getting ended, so just join again in the same thing. Today I'll just get it done this one. I'm not sure why it's happening. Okay, I'm going to Shashank, one more user. Okay, I changed the Maruti settings now. So I'm logging as this user. Okay, this is a different user I'm logging in. See, he is not able to see any records. But as a Vinod, I am able to see this many records. Oh, he should supposed to be able to see, right? I have public read only. That means he should be able to see it. Oh, yeah. So he is also able to see this record. Okay, he is admin, so he is having the modify all access. Let me log in as some other user. Because admin, I showed you one option, right? Modify all and view all. So because of that access, irrespective of all the settings, admin user will be having the all access. Let me check this profile is having the particular object access or not. Want to see Maruti car. object they have access or not. Okay, see, he is not having any access for the Maruti cars. Okay, so he will not able to see it. So what I'm going to do, I'll just provide access for this user, which is having EC underscore contractor. It's supposed to be just editing it, this particular profile. Maruti car access I want to give. It's giving him read, create access. Only these two access I am giving to this particular profile. Okay, now he's having in profile level, this particular user is having create and read. In object level, he is having public read only. So his overall access will be like he should be able to see the record, he should be able to create the records, but he shouldn't able to edit it. So that's what we are trying to do for this user. Okay, I'm going to log in as this user now. I did not give him tab and all the access. So let me just search the object and navigate directly. He is able to see. See, this is a login as this EC contractor. It's a different user. So I'm able to log in as him. Check whether he is having read access or not, write access or not. See, he is not able to edit it. He's not seeing any edit option here, and he's not having here also any edit option, because I have given only public read write. So if I want him to edit, so I need to change both of these settings. I need to give here also edit settings. So the only problem, I need to log in again. Let me do with different browser. So I need to log in again. Okay, so now login as Vinod Kumar is the administrator. I am going to that particular profile. EC contractor. So this is the profile. I'm going. I'm just changing, editing this one. So here I am giving edit access for him. So before we were having only read, create, edit. So I have given him edit access now. So it's saved, and I'm coming back to this record where I logged in as this particular user. So I'm loading it, reloading it. Still, I'm not able to edit this particular record because as I said before, when you have these two things, what is the restricted? This will be taken compared to object level and record level, which is this is the most important question in the interviews also. They used to ask. I have given create, read, edit option in the profile, and in sharing settings, I have given record level. In sharing, settings, I have given public read only. So whether he will be able to edit the records or not. So whenever they ask a question, you just don't think much. Just compare these two things. Don't see the profile or anything. Just check what are the access he is having in profile, what are the access he is having in the sharing settings. Okay. So here he is having create, read, edit. Here he is having only public read only. That means here edit access did not provided. So he is supposed to provide with